Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a plugin to your WordPress website. What are WordPress plugins? WordPress plugins are code packages that enhance the functionality of a WordPress site. Developed by programmers worldwide, these plugins serve various purposes. For example, the existing plugin library includes options for adding social media share buttons, newsletter sign-up forms, improving search engine optimization, SEO, transforming WordPress into a full e-commerce site, and more. The WordPress plugin ecosystem enables individuals without coding skills to build and customize robust websites. It also provides nearly limitless opportunities for professional developers and web enthusiasts. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu. You'll see an option called Plugins. Hover over it and click on Add New. This will take you to the Add Plugins page, where you can browse thousands of free plugins available in the WordPress plugin directory. Here you can search for a specific plugin by typing its name into the search bar. For this tutorial, let's search for a popular plugin called Yoast SEO. Once you find the plugin you're looking for, click the Install Now button. WordPress will automatically download and install the plugin for you. Click on Install Now and then on Activate. After the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a plugin to your WordPress site. Most plugins will add a new menu item to your dashboard where you can configure their settings. Each plugin will have its own settings and configuration options, so take some time to explore and set them up according to your requirements. Adding plugins is a great way to extend the functionality of your WordPress site. Just remember to keep your plugins updated and only install plugins from reputable sources to keep your site secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.